Hello guys, this is Sham, Maggie guy Sham. This is a video on rebuild of my starter motor for RE Royal Enfield. And we basically require a 10 mm spanner, a 8 mm spanner to open these bolts, the long two bolts to dismantle the motor. And these are the removed brushes. You can see there is nothing left, everything is worn out there. And the other thing is it has only 3 magnets in there. It should be 4. The 4th magnet has came out. I have done arranging these 4 bushes. Basically Royal Enfield has 4 bushes in it, 2 for negative and 2 for these are 2 are negatives and these 2 will be positive. The positive connection will have the screw like this. This is the stator, rotor. This will be the stator and this is the rotor of the motor. Basically it's an armature coil. I see no wrong with this, and it has a bearing in it and the toothed gear structure to connect to the spark clutch with an ideal gear in it. This is for a Thunderbird, Thunderbird 2006. This is the first time I'm opening this, and this is a 11-year-old motor which came with the stock label on it, which is pretty worn out. The basic idea was to rebuild it as it's not working. It's just jumping the start. It's not engaging the starter motor as these brushes are worn out, and I have fixed the new brushes. I could not make the video of that because the hands are so dirty. And this is the carbon material or the mud which I found in this starter motor. The magnet particles are here and there as this magnet broke for some reason. I don't know exactly what has happened with this, but the magnet has broken into pieces, small tiny pieces here. I'm just trying to fix this. I just need to clean this out and fix the motor back, assemble it, fix to the more vehicle and have a trial on that. And I'll be just continuing the video after I done working on this rebuild. Pretty much sure that it will work as there is no issue with the rotor or the armature. It's fine, healthy, looking so good. And these are the contact points for the brushes. It's a DC 12 volt motor, induction, not an induction, it's a DC motor. I'm just trying to show you the sticker which is not visible much. I can see only 12 volt here. I don't know how much RPM this is. We'll continue the video after the rebuild. As you can see, my hands are very black and I cannot show the video. And this is the brush kit which I got in. It's just 130 rupees. With 130 rupees you will be rebuilding the motor, and it will be working as new. And this is the o-ring sealer between the engine and the motor. I'm just figuring out to press this. These are the springs which push the brushes to the stator with the rotor. This will be the stator, I'm sorry. This will be the stator and this will be the rotor. This part is a rotor. It will rotate once it gets power. This is what I have figured out. Just hold on, I'll rebuild the motor and I'll be continuing the video.